Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert and customize a line of best fit in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll not only have your scatter plot looking sharp, but you'll also understand how to tweak that trend line so it tells the story you want your data to tell. Whether you're prepping for a class assignment, analyzing business numbers, or just geeking out on data visualization, having a line of best fit can turn raw numbers into real insights. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a scatter plot to work with. If you haven't already made one, that's our starting point. Think of your scatter plot as the stage where all your data points get to shine. Each point represents a relationship between two sets of values, like hours studied versus exam scores. Just select the data you want to plot, typically 2 columns, then we're ready for the next step. Now head up to the menu bar and click on Insert. Once the menu drops down, select Chart. Google Sheets is pretty smart. It often tries to guess which chart fits your data, but if you don't see a scatter plot at first, don't worry. Just go over to the chart editor panel on the right, click on Setup, and choose Scatter Chart from the chart type options. This gives you those classic dots on an XY grid, perfect for visualizing how your data points spread out. So once your scatter plot is set up, it's time to bring in that all-important line of best fit, or what Google Sheets calls a trend line. This line helps you quickly see the general direction your data is moving in. To add a trend line, head over to the chart editor again, but this time click on the Customize tab. Then look for Series. This is where you'll find controls specific to your data series. Scroll down and you'll see the option to add a trend line. Click to turn it on, and just like that, Google Sheets draws a line right through your data, showing the average trend. But we don't want to stop with just the default. Customizing makes your chart pop and helps your trend stand out. In the Series section, you'll also spot the option to change the trend line's color. Maybe you want it to match your brand colors, stand out from the scattered dots, or just look cooler overall. Pick the color that fits your story. You'll notice as soon as you choose a new color, the line updates instantly on your chart. It's a small tweak, but it really affects the readability. Here's another neat trick: you can adjust the trend line's type. By default, Google Sheets uses a linear trend line, which is a straight line, but depending on your data, a different trend might tell a better story. For example, if your data follows more of a curve like how compound interest grows over time, you might want to choose a polynomial or exponential line. Just experiment with what reveals the patterns in your specific dataset best. Don't worry if you're not sure what each option means. You can always toggle between types and see how the fit changes right there on your chart. And honestly, that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've not only added a line of best fit in Google Sheets, but you've also made it truly your own with color and trend type adjustments. If things don't look right the first time, take a moment to double check which data you've selected. Sometimes it's as simple as highlighting the wrong columns. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using trend lines in your own projects, drop a comment down below. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.